Every day, thousands of people show up to work to do important jobs. But many of those who came before us risked their health because no one knew better. Sometimes the dangers you can't see are the ones that are the most harmful. Since 1984, SK Safety has been dedicated to preserve the lives and health of people working in environments where humans are not meant to be. Our focus is on gas, breath and fire, and we provide technical safety equipment that makes it possible to work safely. But as many know, good equipment won't get you far if you don't know how to use it. That's why we provide courses. We accompany our customers as advisors on challenging jobs. And we have a large service department for inspecting and maintaining equipment. We aim to be your complete solution provider and advisor for technical safety. We provide safety when workers face tough and risky tasks. Because our vision is to ensure safety in hazardous environments.